This brand is made in China and is sold at retailers such as Walmart and Lowe's, but their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. The CR1W models are basic single-hose air conditioners with only a 2-speed fan that use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as R32. The CW1W units are for cooling only but have a 3-speed fan with auto swing louvers for better air circulation throughout the room. They use more earth-friendly R32 refrigerant and are Wi-Fi enabled to work with their Connect Life app as well as voice commands from Alexa and Google Assistant. The TW1GD models are cool-only units that use dual hoses and have state-of-the-art inverter compressors for added efficiency, while the HW1GD units are for heating as well as cooling. They use auto-evaporation technology, so they minimize the need to empty a condensate bucket. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.